na pa yung guy.
Wow, maganda picture tayo pa rin.
Ako pwede tayo mag-picture ka na. Wala ka man nakita tambakanti. Uy, tambakanting floating park. Instagram.
Ay, andun na. May mga nakabantay na ka rin. Oh.
Pati na mag-picture.
Aga-aga sa aking pag-iisa, ibigin pang iba. Yeho!
Ayos.
Tangi!
Yun.
Hindi naman nakikita.
Yan si Jampi, dalawa yung kasama na. Ija sa pong idruan yung mumuna. Itaas kong yung kamay ko. Yan, pababa na lang. Dalawang babae ang kasama niya eh.
Si Jazz po.
Si Jazz at saka si Drew. Tingnan mo, tatlo lang sila sa classroom, pati yung...
Oath-taking ceremonies of the new certified plant mechanics, mechanical engineers, and the April, May, June, and July 2023 professional mechanical engineers. From Julie Catholic University.
Pag walang kwanta, walang oath-taking. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that is a nursery rhyme that was being parang pinapaliwanag niya na somebody on the seashore, nakikita niya yung bridge sa London bumabagsak. Kaya tinawag niya yung kanyang Pearl Lady. And for you, who is your Pearl Lady? That is your mother. Ang inyong magulang, dinala kayo ng 9 na buwan. Nung pinangalan kayo, nakangiti sila. So do not let your mother cry. Love your parents. Eh, di ba rin na yung tatay? Tako sa nanay yun eh. Yun lang mother. Yun lang mother. This is the oath of professionals for follow after me. Isa lang pakiusap ko, pakibigkas niyo ang ating oath, panunumpa na malakas at punong-puno ng yabang. Oath of professional. I will please state your name. Of your address, solemnly swear. That I will support and defend the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines. And faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the duties and obligations incumbent upon a legally authorized mechanical. So help me God. Congratulations
and environmental conditions
everyone.
Ang pangit ka pa.
Ikaw rin ano ka na. Tingnan.
Hotel
Casino. Kenya Joy Tangka. Kinwento na kang darang sa yan eh.
Hindi nung Ferdy.
Ano tayo?
Ay, mga sireng katike mo eh.